Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Boone Drive in Stony Hill is this tri-level residence disposed over a gross floor area of 7,000 square feet and lot size of 1.53 acres. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, expansive living and dining rooms, designer kitchen with bar and staff quarters. Creativity beckons throughout. Description includes functionality, peace, and tranquility. Property exudes a sophisticated aroma to be appreciated and enjoyed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 780,000 or Jamaican $120 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.